Kids Creation Meditation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself creating beautiful art. Hello to creative me. I love art. It makes me happy to create, just mixing up colors and playing with paint. I can make any color under the sun, except white or black. I make lines that become shapes that suddenly appear like magic out of nowhere. Ideas just pop into my head from the sky. I don't know how, and I don't know why. Art is a game I love to play. I love to see all the amazing things that come out of me. I love art so much, everything I make can never even be a mistake. It feels so free to just be me. In art there are no rules, but one. Take care of your tools and clean them up when you are done. Otherwise they won't cooperate for the next time you create. So here I go. Watch out, world. Here I come. My art adventure has just begun. It's going to be so great and it's going to be so much fun. I'll show you when I'm done.